Is near enough 10 to 10 in the evening. This rain is fucking unbearable, mate, honestly. So what I need to do when I get to the campsite, put everything on in the car. The best thing to do is to put the waterproofs on, like the waterproof trousers on first before you put the boots on. It's just going to continuously fucking rain. The weather's broken tomorrow morning, so I need to get up at 6 no matter what, so I need to fucking hurry up, you know what I mean? I may have a campfire, so I've got a steak to cook, mate, but if not, I'll just fucking bring the steak back with me, you know what I mean, and eat at home. Steak's fine. Oh, no campfire, mate. I might just go back into the tent, mate, you know what I mean? There's no fucking point. I do miss Bear Down Farm campsite, much easier. The fucking car's like literally there. But because I'm walking 10 minutes, I need to be like proper waterproofed up. 10 minutes is a long time to walk in the rain. You know what I mean? Even in the city centre, you need to wear waterproofs. I've been caught out loads of time. You get wet legs. It's fucking horrible. I need some paper towels. Let me get back to you. Just thought if I get some paper towels, with the waterproofs, I can rub it down and take some of the water off that way when I get in the tent. My sleep system's in a bivvy bag anyway, mate, so I can just get in the tent as I am. It's fine. It's fucking hard, mate. Really fucking hard. Like, right, I might not have a campfire, mate. Fuck it. I've got chicken anyway, so it's fine. If I want a hot meal, then I can just heat up a fucking chicken curry, mate. You know what I mean? Tangier, might do that. This is the thing, mate. It's like elements like this. You just got to stay in the fucking tent. You know what I mean? Because the temperature difference is so much different. Oh, what a fucking pain in the ass. I don't know what to do. What I'm going to do is just drive to the campsite from here. I'm going to have this coffee, and if I need a piss or shit, the toilets are just there, you know what I mean? I'll have a final piss and a shit, run in there if I need a shit or a piss before going into the campsite, then that's it. You know what I mean? I just feel like just leaving my stuff there and just fucking going home, you know what I mean? But it's fine, it's fine. I'll clear it down tomorrow. I've got to get up at 6 in the morning. I have to get up at 6 in the morning. End of. So I'm thinking about time. I'll think about it. I'll think about it as I'm driving. I'll do normal speed, like as I'm coming out of here, and then I'll switch over to my own music. But I could do that. So I want to listen to Angel on Airwaves. So. Right, I need some paper towels. Well, I'm not getting out of the car. I've got to climb over the back. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you another video. Bye bye.